Hi guys, Rahul this side, and in this video I will be telling you the important softwares that we use as VITians SEM wise. So let's get started. So before starting, if you are not aware that how to use this software, how to install and how to run those programs, so you don't need to worry because you will be given manuals and instructions, and you will be taught in the class that how to run, how to create new files, how to download the software, and even the download links for those software will be given. So you don't need to worry about that. And if you find any difficulty, you can definitely Google, or you can maybe ask me on my Instagram ID, and I can try my best to help you. So in the first sem, we have a software called as MATLAB for mathematics, LT Spice for BEEE, that is for electronics, for drawing the circuit diagrams and stuff related to electrical, and of course PyCharm, or you can use the default IDLE for Python language. In the second sem onwards, we start getting the courses of core computer science. So we have C and C++ language. So for that, most of the people use Visual Studio Code, or you can use code blocks, but Visual Studio Code is more preferred. And again, for electronics, we have Multisim or LT Spice. Now Multisim has two versions, which is offline version and online version. So it depends on your teacher that whatever she prefers to use, you have to use that. In the third sem, we have DSA and Java. So for Java, we can use either IntelliJ IDLE, or we can use Visual Studio Code, which is again used for C++. And again, in the third semester, we have an electronic subject called as DSD. So for DSD, we have used a software called as ModelSim. So in all the 3 semesters, we have electrical subjects, and depending on your teacher, you will be using different softwares and applications for designing circuits and doing some complicated stuff. And in the 4th semester, which I am currently in, we are studying R language in maths, which is basically probability and statistics. So we have to install a separate software for R language, and for M&M, which is microprocessor and microcontroller, which again is a subject of electrical, we are using something called as Keel software. So that software is used for assembly level language, and basically coding microprocessors and microcontrollers. So it's a very basic, very low level of language. So for that, we are using Keel. So that's it for now, and I know it's kind of incomplete, but I will be completing this like making a second part of this video in near future, updating all the softwares and languages we are using. And if you are new to this channel, do like, share, subscribe, and if you are interested in these technical and interview and podcast, then make sure that you subscribe. So thank you very much, and see you. Bye bye.